Hello, it's Eric again from Energy Pro Windows and Siding. Probably one of the most frequent asked questions I get from potential buyers and customers at Energy Pro is how exactly does an install work on a pocket wood replacement window? So today I'm going to be showing you with this model exactly how we install replacement windows. This is a model of a tear-out window. All windows that are original windows in a home that were new construction windows, they have a frame inside the opening. We call it a buck frame when we're installing it. This is a kind of a corner section of what the inside of your window would look with your trim, your casing trim, and you have an interior wood stop. What we're gonna do is we're gonna tear out all the moving parts of the window down to this original buck frame. Once we have the window gutted, this is the outside portion of the window, what it looks like once we tear all the exterior wood stops off and we get the moving parts out of the window. What we're going to do is we're going to take the replacement window, which this is a casement replacement window, and we're going to insert it into the original frame of the window, like such. And then we're going to push the window all the way in till we meet the inside stops next to the casing. Once we have the window in the hole, we're going to shim the window so that it's square in the opening. Once we have the window shimmed and square in the opening, what we're going to do is we're going to take pink fiberglass insulation and we're going to fill all the gaps around the window with insulation. That's going to prevent air leaks. It's going to prevent air from getting into the house and air from escaping the house. Once we have the window insulated, we're going to cut wood stops and we're going to add wood stops that are very similar to the interior wood stops in your house on the inside of your window. After we get those stops in place, we're going to take PVC coated aluminum metal and we're going to bend it and we're going to wrap your moldings just like this. And that's going to protect your brick mold. You won't have to worry about your brick mold ever having wood rot again. So this PVC aluminum is going to protect your brick mold, but it's also protecting the stops that we made that are holding your window into the house. After we have the brick mold covered with our PVC coil, the last and final step is we want to use a sealant. We use here at Energy Pro Solar Seal 900. It's one of the best sealants on the market. It's going to last, it's going to have a warranty of about 5 to 7 years, where most of your painter's caulking, stuff like that, only has a warranty of about 2 to 3 years. We're going to caulk the inside of the window to prevent water leakage, and we're going to caulk on the outside of the window to prevent water leakage. And this is how we install replacement windows.